Hello and welcome back to the channel, and we've had another question in. This time it's come from an @alumgundogdu4155. Now I hope that's right, and I really apologise if I pronounced it wrong. The message came through in Turkish, so I had to translate it because I don't speak Turkish. Basically asking if I had a copy of my backup file that I use to do the Nova Launcher interface. Yes, I have got a backup file, and yes, I will share it. You will need to have the desktop as well, so I'll include that as well, because that's just like an image that I've used as a desktop. So I'll include them both. There'll be links down below if you want it. But I thought while I'm doing it, I'm just going to show everybody else how to actually get to backup and restore, and it's really quite simple. So what we do is we go onto the device. In my case it's the tablet, it could be your head unit. One long hard push and you go to settings. So we go into settings and then we scroll down a little bit and you'll see backup and restore, and then there we can back up, we can share the backup, or we can restore the backup. So if we go to restore the backup, because this is basically what will be happening, then you search for the file that was the backup. Now that is the one there, so that will overwrite the current layout. I'm going to say okay because I know it's the right one, and you can see there it loads up, and that is my layout. So if you think that was useful for you, please give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more little tips and things like that, just ask me. If I can help, if I can possibly do anything, I will do, and I will share it to you or help you out with a little video like this. Anyway, thanks for watching, thanks for letting me babble on a little bit, and we'll see you in the next video. Oh, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Links there now. Or is it there?